So you're possibly looking for a garden, but you don't have the space outside, or maybe you just want to do something all year round, like maybe an indoor style garden. Well, today's video is just for you. We have the OMOTE Hydroponics growing system we're going to unbox and review for you guys on today's episode of Good Tech Cheap. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. Starting off, if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell if you like to receive notifications. Today's episode is brought to you by OMOTE. We have their hydroponics growing system to be checking out, so make sure to check out all the links and details in the description. But first thing is first, we're going to get this bad boy out of the box and see what all that we get. Hey, Matt!
Alright, everybody, today we're going to be looking at this indoor hydroponics growing system. So right here's the box. Looks fantastic. It's got a nice amount of graphics on it right here. Very cool. Some information on the back right here, as well as the other side being almost exactly the same. So not really too much to see on either side of that. So they're roughly the same. But let's go ahead and bust it open. Let's cut this open right here so we can go ahead and get in here. Oh, looks like we got some tape on the other sides. So as you can see, they make sure that it's not going to just open up on you while you're traveling or while it's being transported. Very nice. So let's put the box over here and go through it. So first off, it looks like you got part of the caps right here. I know this is a 12 kit system, so I'm going to just guess that these are the caps for those pods. So you can grow 12 different items simultaneously. It does come with protective sides on it right here, so a little cushioning for transportation and shipping. It just means that it's taken well care of. First thing in the box is what looks to be like the lighting system. I believe there's 80 LED lights in this system. They're all around 36 watts, so very nice. So this is going to mount up to the top and kind of hover over the plants, in which case you can kind of power it from there, whether you turn it on or choose fruit or flowers or whatever setting you're looking for. Once we get through that, what we have is the actual pods. So this is what I was talking about before. So these are the potters. So this is what you'll actually plant everything in to begin with right here. And as I mentioned before, it looks like what I showed you guys earlier, the caps are what's going to go on top of these for different things, or just saying they're not in use. So just a way to handle that right there. And it looks like inside of this are a couple other things. So let's cut inside this and bust her open. But what I can see inside this already looks to be like they're giving you some kind of soil. So to start your growing adventure, you don't have to leave the house. You don't have to go pick up extra stuff. It kind of all comes in this kit to begin with. Pull the top off and here we go. So right here they do include some soil pods. It looks like they're ready to go. So very nice. You just drop your seeds in there and start growing. You got 2 packs of those, so it looks like they give you enough for probably 2 different cycles. Got plant food that they include. So again, like this kit's coming with everything. Some additional plant food. So I guess there's an A and a B. So going to assume that there's 2 different processes in this growing kit right here. Again, part of the slots right here for the pods, so just getting your plants all set up. Looks like they even give you a measuring cup right here so that you don't have to worry about getting anything wrong or not getting enough plant food in. And it looks like there's some solar caps for it as well, so little domes that you can put on it to increase part of the sunlight or the LED light reaching the plants. And then finally, this looks like the stand right here that you're going to place in here, and then we'll put the lights on top of it. So the LED lights are going to go on top of this stand right here, but looks like it's the way to get power there. So it plugs in here and runs power up here to the actual lights. And then of course, the thing that you actually need, the plug. Plug it into the wall right here. Very nice. And if we dive deeper in the box, it looks like you're going to have some placements right here to kind of designate exactly what you're growing. So like your name tags. And it looks like these might be part of the funneling right here, so you can kind of make room for the seed or perhaps run water down through it. Looks like there's instructions right here to kind of explain everything, and let's see if we got everything. The plug adapter, we got the growth sponges, the basket kits, the plastic support rods, so that's what they are, the rods. We got the plant food A and the plant food B, and the plant tags, and the germination hoods. So it really truly does come with kind of everything that you're looking for. They explain in here how to start your own garden and the amount of food that you need to put in. And if you keep looking in the box, it looks like they come with an extended warranty. You can set it up right here through an app, scan the QR code, and you're good to go. And the plant food information. So this explains everything that's in it and the amount of those nutrients that are going to be provided, as well as instructions and directions. So again, I have to keep mentioning this. This kit truly does come with everything to kind of get you started. We started all here in this hydroponics growing kit. But that's what's in the box, everybody.
So the OMOTE Hydroponics growing system is pretty cool. You can create your own garden 365 days out of the year. We have a 36 watt by 80 LED grow lights, and not to mention they can change from vegetative mode to flowering mode, and that is awesome because you don't got to worry about changing out no lights, along with an auto silent pump system that will automatically turn on and off throughout the duration of your grow. So you take your 12 pods and then you can plant your seeds in them pods, fill the tank up with water, and be careful not to overfill it, because you know you don't want to get water everywhere. You want to keep your grow space really clean and tidy. So you have the easy check water level to obviously take care of that situation, as well as know when you need to refill the tank without even having to lift up the top of the tank, which means it's quite convenient having this meter handy for you. When once you have your seeds down in the growth sponges ready to drop into the tank, you even have humidity domes to help get your seedlings started. And it's all done with 4 easy steps. 1, you need to make your plant food solution. So you pour water inside of the plant food bottles and shake it up to create your plant food solution. And then you want to add water to your tank, especially getting up to the preferred water level. After that, you drop your seeds into the growth sponges and put them into the planting basket. And after that, all you gotta do is plug it in and put your humidity domes on. Power the system on and the light will automatically start coming on, and it also will be on an 8x16 light rotation, meaning it will be on 16 hours of the day and turn off for 8 hours. And that cycle will automatically reset daily, so you don't have to worry about going and setting any timers or anything like that. And your vegetative mode will grow with the red, white, and blue light, and when it comes time to flower, you can just use the button on top and it will swap it over to the red and white light, and that will trigger the photosynthesis on the plants, making them go into flowering mode, giving you all your favorite fruits and veggies. Not to mention, as your plants grow, you can even adjust the height of the lamp. The lamp will start out at 7 inches and you can completely raise it up to 21 inches, meaning you can have a pretty good sized plant in the system. So if you have some kitchen herbs that you would like to plant and keep going in the kitchen, or even just get some plants started for an outdoor garden, this thing right here is an excellent choice to get you started. Coming with everything you need, all you gotta have is seeds. So the OMOTE hydroponic system is pretty cool in my opinion, and I would highly recommend you to check it out if you're into indoor gardening, or like I said, getting those seeds germinated and started for that outdoor garden. I mean, think of all the time you can save if you have your plants already started and all you gotta do is transplant them to your outdoor pots. And that's what I call being prepared and having some good tech to take care of the job. So if you're interested in a hydroponics setup, I would highly recommend you to look into the OMOTE system. Of course, we have all of our links and details in the description, so you definitely need to make sure to check that out and not miss out on any of that information. As well as I would like to take this time to give OMOTE a huge shout out and thank them for partnering up with us so we could give you this review and show you this awesome hydroponic system. So if you found this review helpful, then be sure to hit that like button and get in the comments and let us know what type of plants you will grow in this setup. As well as make sure you are following us wherever you're seeing this video, that you're subscribed. If you have the option to flip that bell on for notifications, be sure to do so, and make sure you are following where you should be following. Hit that subscribe button or turn on that bell if you have the option. You want to receive all them notifications on all the sweet deals and tech we release on this channel. But that is going to wrap it up for today's episode. Once again, my name is Brad, and I'm looking forward to seeing you guys in the next review.